Welcome to week 5. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to do this week. All right, so start with the overview, planning your schedule for the week, planning out when you're going to do the assignments. I know at this point in the semester things can feel like they're piling up on you, so make sure that you're organized and on top of everything. The first thing that you want to start with is the Living with Intention journal assignment, just because you have to do it over the week. So it's not due until the end of the week, but you want to start it at the beginning. All right, so the first half of the week deals with picking your classes and making sure that you're choosing the right ones. There's also a mindful moment, some practice with the My Degree Path tool, and also we're doing office hours again, just to check in and see how things are going, answer any questions that you have. So make sure that you check this out early in the week, plan when you're going to come to office hours, and you can go to any of your professor's office hours, but if you'd like to come to mine, these are the hours that I have for the week, Monday through Thursday. If those don't work, you can also set up an appointment with me. In the second part of the week, did I cover everything there? Yeah. In the second part of the week, oh no, you also have to turn in your counselor visit reflection by Thursday as well, so make sure that you get that in. In the second part of the week, we're focusing again on wellness and mostly on stress and how to deal with that. And this is the right time of the semester, I think, to focus on stress. So you'll do the readings and the quiz. We'll talk about stress a little bit. Feel free to ask any questions that you have about registration or troubleshooting. If you're not already registered for the fall, make sure that you go ahead and do that. And if you have some extra time and you want to go to campus, attend an event, you can get some extra credit. All right, have a wonderful week, everyone. I'll see you online.